Exposing the truth behind joint cracking, this is gonna blow your mind. That popping sound you hear when you crack your joints, it's not your bones breaking or grinding. It's actually gas bubbles in the fluid around your joints collapsing when you stretch or move them a certain way, so it's totally normal. And no, cracking your joints doesn't cause arthritis. Research shows there's no solid link between the two. So you can finally tell your grandma it's just a myth. But hey, if cracking your joints ever causes pain, swelling, or discomfort, it might be a sign of something else going on. That's when it's a good idea to see a professional. So, is it bad for you? Nope. Most of the time, it's harmless. Just don't force it or overdo it. Remember, your body is designed to move, so take care of those joints and they'll take care of you. Got more questions? Drop them in the comments.